Hey everyone, Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. Let's show you how to turn on dark mode on your Mac. It's really simple to do, so no fluff, just the stuff. Let's dive right into this tutorial. Alright, so here we are on my Mac desktop. I currently have the light mode enabled. So to turn on the dark mode, we're going to open up our system settings. So head down to the bottom. You'll see the little gear icon here, system settings, and you can left click on that and open up your settings. Now, over on the left hand side, there's a whole bunch of options. We are looking for appearance. You can select that. And then up at the top, it says appearance here. Now there's a few options. Again, light mode will give you the white background. There's auto right here, so you can select that. That'll give you the white background during the day and the dark during the night, if you want to kind of switch back and forth. And the one I'm looking for here is the dark mode. If you select that, you can see it changes it all to black, which I think looks really slick. So hopefully this tutorial helped you out. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Really, it's that simple to turn on the dark mode.